Good morning, investors. Penny Stock Whispers here doing a stock chart video for VDSC, the PV Enterprises International Incorporated. Our last trading day was Tuesday, October 1st. We saw a previous close of 0.0011, and we closed up at an amazing 0.0029. That was an increase of 163.64% on a volume of 344.6 million shares traded. This was great news. We have finally seen the end of this tremendous decline that we've been suffering through for the last few months, and this is really, really welcomed here by a lot of investors. It's just absolutely looking fantastic. Love the way it's forming up here. Our 14-day RSI is at 56.56. We just crossed over that 50, telling us that we have so much more room to go before this becomes in danger, this indicator. On the daily charts here, same deal. We just crossed over a lot of these moving averages here. We've got the 12-day, the 26-day, and we just closed up right at that upper Bollinger Band. Like to see that. That was nice movement there. Should see that continue to climb up. I don't think we're going to have any problems with that. Most immediately, the 50-day moving average is going to act as resistance right there at that 0.03 range, crossing through that on Wednesday. Today, hopefully that won't be too much of a problem. I think momentum is going to carry this right through that. We're going to be pressing that 200-day moving average, the 0.005 range, within a couple days, I think, if not already today when the market opens. It's really hard to tell how well this could move. The momentum behind it is tremendous. We're looking at a MACD here that just crossed over its signal line and is pointed sharply up towards the zero line. That's a fantastic indicator. The trailing indicator here, the 15-day TRIX, is going to catch up with us and cross over that signal line. It is almost certain, and that's a huge buy indicator for a lot of investors. Love to see that happen here. The 30-day TRIX, a more longer-term indicator, has been telling us something very similar. We've been pinching with that signal line for quite some time here, and I think that's probably going to cross over as well once it catches up to what happened on Tuesday. So stochastics, fantastic, spiking up 44.09. Same thing with the stochastic RSI. While the stochastic RSI itself is at 1, completely maxed out, what you really need to pay attention to here is the 14-day moving average, which is at 0.25. We just bounced off that 2 and climbing. That's a great indicator. Yeah, that's a great indicator. Like I said, that bounces off that 0.2. It's at 0.25. As that begins to gain strength, it's really going to start pulling in a couple more investors on that, quite a few more, I should say. The check and money flow finally came out of this dip here where we've been for the last few months, where we've been declining so heavily. We have recovered recently, and not too long ago, we did cross over that zero line, and we've been gaining strength since then, and this only reaffirmed that. We did see our positive DI make a cross over its negative DI, but it's still only at 16.36 for the 14-day ADX, so it's a little hard to use that as any definitive judgment on how long this could go. The PVO is looking great. We've been in an uptrend on this for quite some time. We crossed over the zero line quite a while ago. We did do a little bit of a consolidation there. We've been continuing to climb ever since then, and accumulation, just huge load up here. We've seen a bunch of investors take on a ton of shares with this stock, and getting in at this price at 163%, holding on to all these shares after close lets me know that they're expecting to see this go even higher before they even begin to think about selling out even some of their shares. Selling out all of them would be kind of ridiculous at this point. It has so much momentum behind it, and such a greatly shaped chart here that I think we can see this really easily test that 200-day moving average. Once it breaks through that, I think we're going to see, the sky's really the limit up here. All these little steps that we had, this 0.009 probably next, maybe 0.007. It's just all these little small ceilings that don't look too hard to break through. You have to take a look at the level 2 there to see for sure, but I think we could see something fantastic happen from VDSC. It's looking really good. 163, who can't complain about that? It's looking great volume, and let's see what this does today and for the rest of the week here. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Looking forward to reading through them. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and to the website, www.pennystockwhispers.com. You can find us over on iHub somewhere. Really appreciate you guys watching the video, and have a good day and good luck in the markets.